Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing my embellishments for the collaboration hosted by Deb Houck called Embellishments on the 11th. She's Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube, and she hosts a couple of wonderful collaborations that I'm a part of. I'm using this detailed bells dies from Stampin' Up! I bought this last year, and there are some wonderful dies in here. And I do also have the stamp set. Last year for my bell choir, I stamped and colored this image of the bell with holly on it, and then I cut it out. But this piece that I used also comes with the frame, so it can be used both ways. And then these little jingle bells are adorable. I have not used them yet. So anyway, there is that. I definitely get a lot of use out of bells because I'm in a bell choir. Well, not right now, of course, unfortunately. It's going to be hilarious when we do get back together because we're going to look at them and go, what are these again? So it's like we took one step forward and 3 steps backwards. But anyway, I digress. These are the embellishments that I made. I used the leftover silver holographic paper from my snowflakes, and I attached a green bow to this one because if you move the paper around, green is kind of what popped out at me, so I thought that would look pretty. And then gold, this is a thicker piece of gold cardstock that I got from My Favorite Things a few years ago. And I just thought red was appropriate for these. This one is the one I made to give me the idea. This was before I got the bows in the mail. I got the bows from Etsy, and I cannot remember the name of the store. His name is Sergey. He's in Moldova, and I think it starts with Frapp, F-R-A-P-P. But anyway, just look up bows. I really love them because they're so small, and they also have the, I don't know what you call that, the banner cut in the bows. I have the red and green for Christmas, but I also have some of other colors for the rest of the year. So please make sure to go see the other collaborators down in the description box below and see what they made. Thank you again for joining me, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.